Hello, I'm Andrew.
And I am Anfisa.
Welcome to the writing section of the IELTS Preparation Course from Great Education Center.
We've helped many students prepare for the IELTS test, and now, together with other teachers, we've designed this course for you. As you probably know, there are two modules in the IELTS test, academic and general, in which writing tasks are different. Our course deals with academic writing only.
In this course, you're going to learn writing strategies and practice using them while completing IELTS writing tasks. And now we will tell you about it in detail. It will take you 1 hour, and there are 2 tasks for you to do.
In the first task, you get a visual, which can be a chart, a process, or a map. Your task here is to analyze the information in the visual and describe it. For this, you have to write a minimum of 150 words.
In the second task, you will write an essay. Here you get a topic and a question to answer. You have to give and explain your ideas about the topic and answer the question. The minimum number of words is 250.
As you can see, you have to write more words for the essay. This task also requires more time, so generally it's recommended that you spend around 40 minutes on writing your essay and 20 minutes on describing the visual.
Like in other sections of the IELTS test, the band you may get for your writing is from 0 to 9. But what does it depend on? To learn this, let's look at the 4 aspects that IELTS examiners pay attention to when marking your writing.
First of all, examiners will look at how well you've answered the question and the task. In other words, whether everything that you've written is on topic and how well you've explained your ideas.
You should also write a minimum number of words required for each task. Don't write too much, as you might include information which is not given in the task. This is called task achievement or task response.
The next important thing is how you shape your writing. This is all about how logically you organize your ideas into paragraphs, how well these ideas are connected, and how effectively you use the so-called linking words. We call this aspect coherence and cohesion.
Another aspect is your vocabulary. First of all, examiners look at its variety, whether these are simple or more complex words. Secondly, your vocabulary should be appropriate. This is when you use the right word in the right place. We call all of these lexical resource.
Of course, grammar is something examiners will be paying attention to as well. Is the grammar you use simple or more complex? Is it accurate or simply correct? This aspect is called grammatical range and accuracy.
Each of these criteria makes up 25% of your writing score, so all of them are equally important.
Our course will help you improve your writing in each of these criteria and finally get a higher band. We really hope you will enjoy your preparation.
And we wish you good luck with it!